Why you bring your backpack? Come on, come on, come on. Oh, sorry about that. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kino P from the Kino. Oh. I wonder if I could play that since it's on YouTube. Anyway, this is Kino P from the Kino P Show. I am tickled pink that you joined me today. Gonna wash my truck. And yeah. I'm going to wash my truck, not the church. They may be holier than thou, but they can't wash a truck worth nothing. What are you doing, dog? Like, come on, bruh. I gotta wait for you, bruh. We in this together. Okay. Hold on. Once again, I am sorry. All right. Operation V6 turned SS. Lord, what can we call this? Travel TBS clone. tbcss. That's what we're gonna call this. Anyway, we got a lot of stuff to do. First and foremost, we gotta get that V8 out of here, that V6 out of here. Well, inline 6, whatever. And we have body fitment issues. We have dents everywhere. We have this ugly son bitch up there. We have a lot of stuff up there, and we need to fix all that. Sorry, I'm in kind of frustrated right now. I'm kind of up in the air. This dude, Dylan, do the jig. Oh, don't give it to him too free. Don't give it to. That was too much, Dylan. Way too much for free, Dylan. That's way too much for free. All right. We definitely need to lower this thing. We need to, Dylan, don't be right there. Yes, I'm at work. Yes, I'm washing my truck. Yes, I'm trying to do this. So many yeses on this one. But yeah, we need to lower it. We need to take all this crap out of it. First, we need to stop talking about it and actually do something. Take this ugly grill off that's been painted over more times than share. We have dents like this, which I can get out. I have no faith in my bodywork excrement, but I could do it, I think. And we gotta get rid of this ugly bumper. I think I want to get all new lights and stuff like that, and make sure. I don't know what the hell is this going on. Do I have to go get a new one? Like, it's not even clipping on. Dylan's talking to himself, but that's all right. Dylan, go steal me some quarters. You know what a quarter machine is? My boy. I don't know why I asked that. You know how many times we done come to this car wash? This year alone? Anyway. The speakers have not been hooked up yet. But I think what I'm going to do is hold off on the speakers and get everything done at once. Like the thank you, boo boo. Like, I'm gonna get the automatic start and I'm gonna get the subs. I gotta get one more sub. Oh yeah, all this coming off. I might get the SS badging. I'm really gonna fake the funk when I get everything settled. But anyway, I'm gonna get one more speaker, one more comp 12, and I'm gonna put it right there. And then I got the amp there. Dylan, look alive. So you won't see nothing. You'll just see this box right here. My thing is, you won't see nothing but the box, but it'll still have enough airflow there. Yeah, no, I don't know. Maybe one of these What is? I'm talking to myself. What are those people called? YouTube experts. I told you I'm so boggled today. YouTube experts be like, no, you can't do that. You're gonna drown out the sound. I don't really give a shit. All right. Oh, y'all don't want to see this. Y'all want to see that, yeah. Y'all want to see that, don't you? Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's getting sexy here, people. It's getting sexy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that. I need to stop. Oh. I'm not touching it. Okay, get out of that. I'm not going to touch it since I already washed it, and I'm just really spraying it off because it rained. It rained when? Yesterday? It rained yesterday, so I'm just really just getting all the rain mud off of it, rain dirt. So yeah, that's it, bro. I mean, woo. I got the cowboy stuff going. You know what it is. As okay. I got 9 seconds anyway for that been up. I want to start doing something. Everybody, I guess everybody doing right now is shouting out their new subscribers. So I want to shout out one new subscriber, Whitney Rogers. I hope I said her name right. So I'm doing this with no paper. This guy, Whitney Rogers. Thank you for the sub. Much love. Yeah. So any new subscriber I notice, or Gigglebox notice, or the Dill Pickle, you better shake that thing. Shake that thing, boy. That just happened for free. Anyway, any new subscribers I see, I'm going to shout y'all out. I don't know. This thing is a piece of shit. Anyway, it's a fun day in Cabot. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing all. She's been soaking for a little bit. Look at that. She's been soaking. But yeah, let's go ahead and spur her off. 4. We can go home. Do some more stuff that is vehicle related. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, if y'all want to skip ahead, I don't blame you. Me personally, I love watching people wash their vehicles. But I know we're in the I want it now age. I want it now, So I completely understand if you want to skip ahead. I'm not even mad. Did y'all see that? I gotta play it back, but old boy just jumped in HHRSS, whatever the hell this thing is called. You know the little Chevy SUVs that look like PT Cruisers. Yeah, that one. We just jumped that one. And I hope I caught it on film. You know what, my luck? I didn't. Look at this dude. This dude. Dylan. Woo. That's what I call perfect timing. Ain't no water on there, boy. That's what I call perfect timing. Alrighty. Let's get to the hash. My 75 cents. Nah, y'all can't have my 75 cents. It's still dirty, but you got my keys? You got my keys? Oh no. All right. Bleak midwinter gaming. I will be checking y'all out as soon as I get some TIME. Oh yeah. Listen to that inline 6. Makes you want to slap your mama, boy. I swear. I swear. All right, now. I have a new friend. Hope he has a lot of subscribers because I'm finna steal half of them. I'm just playing. I'm kidding. Am I? Am I? I'm just playing. That teddy bear, though. If y'all couldn't see it, there's a Ford Ranger that got a teddy bear tied to the grill. I don't know the point of that, but it is what it is. Whatever kicks your boat, whatever flips your boat, I guess. Floats your boat. Yeah, I'm gonna get teased about that one. A certain somebody sees that. Great. Anyway, I'm not sure how much y'all hear because clearly I was recording and washing my car at the same time. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Can I get some love on that one? Give me some elbow, Dylan. Killing 2 birds, 1 stone. Dylan, I'm driving and recording at the same time. I can't pound you. That's why I say give me elbow. Boy, this boy right, this dude. Alright. Oh my God, it is 3 weeks before school starts back. Oh, I won't be able to do this. That means it's, what, a month before fall's here. My favorite time of the year because it's not either hearts or cold and there's no bugs. And I'm okay with that. But yeah, anyway, so that's the game plan. No. I'm gonna do the outside. I'm gonna do the outside again and the inside because I'm not sure how much y'all heard. And if y'all heard all of it, well, shit, you're just gonna have to hear it again because I'm not editing or changing up nothing. Say nothing. Nothing. So, well, I might edit a little bit, but it ain't gonna be much, pimp. I just felt like my mama when I did that. That was weird. Anyway, okay. Doing this damn backpack. Oh my God. Why does it feel so much better outside than it do inside? Okay. Let's talk about it. All right. What we're gonna do first is most likely the bumper situation. The bumper and grill is finna go, and we'll have the SS grill and bumper. So I just want to let everybody know, you tell me to subscribe, I'm subscribing to your channel. I'm not like one of these other YouTubers. You tell them to subscribe and they think about it. You tell me to subscribe, I will subscribe to your channel. I got the paper. I'm gonna go subscribe to them now as soon as I get off of here. Anyway, also we gotta get the back bumper and take away that tail hitch. We gotta get that bike rack off. Y'all see all the residents soap? Me don't care. We gotta change this out to an SS and sunroof, of course. I'm not getting leather seats because I hate leather seats. I'm not dealing with that. But I will. Oh, I mean, if I could find some seats that's half leather, half cloth, mostly cloth, where I can sit down and I won't have to worry about burning my hands, I'm gonna be cool with that. But I am not planning on getting leather seats. Sorry, it's dark. Oh my God, it's so hot up there. It's not as hot as it could be, but it's still hot. We're gonna knock on the door. Look, it's Alex Swift. Say hi, Alex Swift. Hi. Are you on the internet, Alex Swift? Hmm? Are you on the internet, Alex Swift? He's on the internet. So we must leave before he kills me. I love you. Back in the dark. All right. All right. So that's all I really have for today. Sorry, these vlogs are getting kind of spread out, but I'm doing my best here, people. Get off my back. Get off my back. Doing my best. Put my gel cap on, but I'm doing my best, people. So please work with me. Yeah, please stay tuned for the, what did we dub it? The tbcss build, because I'm planning on taking y'all every step of that journey, except the rims, because the rims are already on there. Even though I think I might get new rims here in the future if I don't get a new truck. Not getting rid of the Trailblazer, just getting an additional truck for the channel. Who am I kidding? Guess what? I like it. But I don't know. We'll just have to see what God brings up. All right. So if you do like this content, if you do like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn your notifications on so you can be notified every time I post a new video on this motherfucking channel. Woo! I am your leader, the host with the most, the man of the hour, Mr. Too Sweet to Be Sour, the one and only Kino P, from the Kino P channel, directed by Kino P, filmed by Kino P, starring Kino P. I'm gone. Dance.
No.
Dance. Dance.
No, I can't dance.
Dance the happy dance.
No.
You dance. You shake. I'm not kissing you with that hat on. Now, you gonna dance? Shake your tail feather. What the fuck?